Here's how to download Roblox on Windows and Mac. First, I'll show you the method for Mac, then the second method for Windows. On your Mac, open any browser and go to the official website. Click Download for Mac to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open Finder and locate the installer file. Double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Since it's already installed on my Mac, it appears in the Applications folder. If you're installing it for the first time, simply complete the installation process and the app will be ready to use. If you're using Windows, you can also install Roblox through the Microsoft Store. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and launch the application. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click the search field at the top and type Roblox. From the search results, select the Roblox application, which should appear at the top of the list. Click the blue Get button to begin downloading and installing Roblox on your computer. After the installation is complete, Roblox will be available on your Windows computer and you can launch it whenever you want to play. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.